Hi friends, good afternoon and again warm welcome. Our next lecture, this is the continuing lecture 5.5, that means the fifth lecture of the chapter 5, Death of Partner. Myself, Mrs. Sheetal Kaviraj Jadhav, teacher of BYK College. Today, I explain you how to solve the HSC board papers death of partners problem. How to solve? Yeah, in which point is important in here? This is the board paper, October 2020. So that means last year's repeated students paper. Question number 3 is your, for example, in this reconstitution of partnership forms. This is the third part, death of partners question. In this type of the question, many times ask the same question, same type of question. That means here it is given the working of a goodwill and profit. This type question, so that means when here it is given into that adjustment, first you read carefully. Every time I told you because of in here, for example, in which point is important in here, first you read how many partners in this question, in this problem. Here it is given Amit, Sumit and Ramit. Here it is given 3 partners. Okay. Next one, you will see profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio is given 3:1:1. Okay. And next is year, 31st March 2016. This is the balance sheet. And what's the important here? It is given after the balance sheet. When you read the carefully, in which partner has died. Here it is 3 partner, Amit, Sumit and Ramit. In which partner? Ramit died. When? 31st December 2016. यानी कि जो पार्टनर का डेथ हुआ है कौन सा डेट है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है 31st December एंड व्हाट्स द नेम रमित कौन डाई हुआ है रमित दिस इज द एडजस्टमेंट मशीनरी was to be valued 92,000 and furniture at rupees 58,000 these all is the adjustments. Adjustments means two effects. Next slide, I explain you what's the effect. But when you read the question, what's the important in here? In which question you have given. For example, prepare. आपको क्या दिया है यानी कि क्या आपको प्रिपेयर करना है last to last video I explain you in this problem maybe ask the question prepare revaluation account capital account या balance sheet but mostly you are given the death of partners capital and working of goodwill and profit mostly many time ask this type question remember okay so see here carefully same question I explain you here also. Amit, Sumit and Ramit were partners in a business, sharing profit and losses ratio 3:1:1 respectively. Balance sheet is given in here. This is the liability side and this is the asset side. So that means when you solve the problem into the board exam, so first important thing is, see here, the balance sheet and adjustments effect. So that means when you first prepare the revaluation account, so in that time, what you see here first? For example, here it is given in the first adjustment, machinery was to be valued. Here it is given, देखो, 92,000 machinery was to be valued and furniture rupees 58,000. अभी देखो, ये जो फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट दिया है, आपको क्या करना है? दिस इज द बैलेंस शीट. बैलेंस शीट में आपको मशीनरी दिया है. Balance sheet amount and adjustment amount first you will see. So that means when partner die, so in that time remaining partners value of that assets. So here it is the book value and market value. When the price of you given in the balance sheet, that amount is 80,000. Okay. And what's the adjustment amount? Means market value is now 92,000. So that means here it is given in the revaluation account, amount is increasing. So that means the profit, income of that firm. So revaluation account is a nominal account. Already I told you. So nominal accounts means in the credit side all the income and gains we have written. In the debit side all the expenses and losses. Okay. So machinery's price is first one. The balance sheet price, book value is 80,000 and now market value is 92,000. So that means 12,000 is the increasing amount. So that means appreciated now. 12,000. So difference is 92,000 minus 80,000. So that means 12,000 is the increasing, appreciated amount. If you are given in here, for example, first furniture's price is 60,000 and now 58,000. So that means valuation is decreases. Okay. So 60,000 minus 58,000. So that means 2,000 is a loss. So where we write down? Of course, in the debit side of revaluation account. Okay. So that means first adjustments effect is write down here in the revaluation account. This is the actually revaluation account working note in here. We have written in here. Because of we find out the profit or loss. That's why you have prepare revaluation account. आपको प्रॉब्लम में दिया नहीं था, लेकिन किसके लिए निकाला है हमने? बिकॉज ऑफ अपने को जो डेथ ऑफ पार्टनर है उसका क्या निकालना है, प्रॉफिट हुआ है या लॉस. सो हियर इट इज द इनकम साइड इज मोर देन द expenses side, loss side means credit side is more than the debit side. So that means here it is we find out the revaluation profit. Profit is here. How to calculate? 12,000 minus 2,000. So that means 10,000 is the profit. And that 10,000 transferred to all the partner. But we now prepare only the death of partner's capital. So in that means Ramit's capital account transferred to 2,000. Okay. समझ में आया? रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट में हमने क्या फाइंड आउट किया है? अभी जो डेथ ऑफ पार्टनर है उसका रिवैल्यूएशन प्रॉफिट निकाला है. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज द रामित्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट इज अ वर्किंग नोट, बट रामित्स कैपिटल अकाउंट आपको प्रॉपरली बताया है, बोला है कि प्रिपेयर डेथ ऑफ पार्टनर्स कैपिटल या रामित्स कैपिटल. सो यू विल गॉट इट 5 marks of this capital account. Here it is given the capital account. So first you write down same process, name of that capital, name of that partner's capital account, particular means debit side, credit side. Okay. So in the credit side, first you write down the balances. You are given in here 40,000 capital account, into that balance sheet 40,000. Okay. First you transfer the balance into that credit side. How to write? By balance brought down 40,000. This is the first step. Second one, by general reserve 2,000. Here it is given the general reserve 10,000. 10,000 transferred to all the partner, but here it is we prepare only the debt of partner's capital, so that's why that 10,000 into ratio you have given in here, so that means this reserve transfer to profit sharing ratio 3:1:1. Okay, and Ramit ratio is the, yes, 3, 4 and 5, means 1/5 is the Ramit ratio. So 10,000 into 1/5, so that means 2,000 is the Ramit's reserve, general reserve. Next one is the interest on capital. See here, second adjustment, drawings of Ramit. Up to the date of death amounted to rupees 24,000. So second adjustment, drawing means this is the debit side. Debit side means deduct the amount of that capital accounts. Okay. This is the debit side, and in this side is the credit side. Credit side means income side. So drawings 24,000 where deduct that amount of the capital. इसलिए अपने को कहाँ लिखना है? डेबिट में. Next one is the general reserve. We have transfer interest on capital. Third adjustment you are given, interest on capital was to be allowed at 10% per annum. कैपिटल आपको कितना दिया है? इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल निकालना है तो अभी मैंने इससे पहले की वीडियो में बताया था, रामित का कैपिटल है 40,000. 40,000 इंटू 10%, उतना कितना आया? 4,000 निकालना है. ये हो गया 12 मंथ्स का. तो अपने को कितना मंथ्स का लेना है? व्हेन Ramit died 31st December. So that means April, May, June, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर. तो 9 मंथ्स का इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल निकाला. वो कितना आया? यस, 3,000. नेक्स्ट वन इज द गुडविल. इन दिस गुडविल, how to calculate? The next one I explain you. Here it is given the interest on drawing was to be charged 6% per annum. Interest on drawings. Okay. Drawings के ऊपर interest निकाला है 6%, 6 month का. Next one, goodwill ट्रांसफर किया है. ये गुडविल कैसे फाइंड आउट किया है आपको ये नेक्स्ट स्लाइड इसमें मैं बता रही हूँ. रिवैल्यूएशन प्रॉफिट हमने जो निकाला है वो ट्रांसफर किया क्रेडिट साइड में, बिकॉज दिस इज द इनकम ऑफ दैट पार्टनर. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस सस्पेंस अकाउंट कैसे आया? 12,000 मैं आपको भी बताती हूँ. सो दैट मीन्स हियर इट इज ट्रांसफर टू दैट प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस सस्पेंस अकाउंट. ओके. देन आफ्टर क्या करना है? ये जो क्रेडिट का टोटल है उसमें से डेबिट के टोटल जो अमाउंट है उसको लेस करना है. For example, credits total is 99,000 and debit totals, that means drawing and interest on drawings amount we have deducted, and 73,920. This is the balance, and this balance is transferred to legal heirs loan account. Already आपको problem में दिया है, this amount transferred to the legal heirs loan account. So this is the capital account. If your capital account is correct, so you got it the 5 marks. Next one is the important working note. वर्किंग नोट के लिए आपको 3 मार्क्स है, यानी कि 5 मार्क्स फॉर द Ramit's capital, 3 marks for the share of goodwill and remaining then profit. आपको नेक्स्ट अभी बताती हूँ किसको और मार्क्स है. First step is the calculate the total profit. Total profit means here it is given 6 adjustment figures of previous 4 years profit where rupees 1,40,000, 1,20,000, 60,000 and 80,000. तो कितना total profit आया 4 lakh. Next step is the average profit. Calculation of average profit. Total profit divided by number of years means 4 years. So that means 1 lakh is the average profit. Next step is the firm's goodwill. Calculate the firm's goodwill. First we calculate profit. Now second one firm's goodwill. Average profit multiplied by number of year purchase. 1 lakh into 2 divided multiplied by 2. So that means 2 year number of year purchase you have given in here in the problem. 2 lakh is the firm's goodwill. Next step is the C. So that means this is the third step. Ramit's goodwill. Remember student, when you solve the problem, when you write the working note, remember this each and every point when we check into the board exam. So you got it the out of marks. So that means steps is important when you write the working note. First one total profits, average profit, firm's goodwill, then that date of partners goodwill, share of the goodwill. Firm's goodwill multiplied by Ramit's share. So that means 2 lakh multiplied by 1/5. 1/5 is the Ramit's share of profit. So that means 40,000 is the Ramit's goodwill. And these 40,000 we transfer to here in that Ramit's capital accounts credit side. ये 40,000 कैसे आया पता चला? Okay, good. Next step is the working note. Share of profit. First working note is the share of goodwill. You will got it the 3 marks if you write the each and every steps and 2 marks for the share of profit. So that means 5 marks for the capital, 3 marks for the goodwill and 2 marks for the share of profit. Maybe 7 marks for the working note and 3 marks for the goodwill, depends on the problem. Now 5 marks for the capital and 5 marks for the working note in this problem. So that means in important points is if you write perfectly working notes, you got it the out of marks. If you prepare only the revaluation of account, capital account, but if you are not write the perfectly working notes, so you will not got it the 5 marks, remember. Okay, yeah, maybe 7 marks, depends on the problem. So that's why I explain you, I told you every time each and every point is important. So second working note, so that means share of profit. Here it is given assure profit. So that means yes, every time we find out the average profit sharing ratio and multiplied by period. But in the problem, into this problem, you are given the, here it is given, see here, fifth adjustment, see here, this one. Ramit's share of profit up to the day of his death to be based on the profit of the previous year. Previous year means, yes, previous year का निकालना है means last year का. Last year means rupees 80,000. यानी कि अभी यहाँ पर उन्होंने ऐसा कुछ दिया है क्या? 2 years, 3 years नहीं दिया है. Only previous year मीन्स लास्ट ईयर का ही अमाउंट लेना है प्रॉफिट का. सो दैट अमाउंट इज 80,000. 80,000 into that death of partners profit sharing ratio means 1/5 multiplied by 9/12. ये 9 months कैसे आया है? ये यहाँ पर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर यहाँ गलती हो गया तो आपके मार्क्स जा सकते हैं. क्या देखना है कि when that partner die, that date is the 31st December. So when you calculate, so in first month is the April, May, June, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर. दिसंबर पूरा आएगा क्योंकि 31 दिसंबर है. अगर 1 दिसंबर होता तो हम नहीं काउंट करते. ओके, यहाँ पर 31 दिसंबर दिया है. सो दैट मीन्स टोटल कितना मंथ हो गया? 9 मंथ्स हो गया. ओके, सो 9 मंथ्स का अपने को प्रॉफिट निकालना है 1 अप्रैल टू 31 दिसंबर. समझ में आया ये 9 मंथ्स कैसे आया? अप्रैल टू 31 दिसंबर. So that means 12,000 is the share of profit of that partner. Means death of partner means Ramit's share. And this profit transferred to capital account. How to transfer? Yeah, how to write? Profit and loss suspense account. This 12,000 right in here. Profit है इसलिए क्रेडिट में, अगर लॉस आता है तो कहा जाएगा डेबिट में. ओके, समझ में आया कैसे निकाला मैंने? हाउ टू फाइंड आउट? यस. इफ एनी डाउट देन आफ्टर यू कॉल मी या टेल मी. इन दिस वीडियो या लास्ट टू लास्ट वीडियो in this chapter, so that means our third chapter means reconstitution of partnership form. In that chapters again the 3 divided parts, that means the 3 reason of the reconstitution. First one, all of you learn that admission of partner. Second one, retirement of partner, and I taught you death of partner. In this chapter I taught you what's the important rules related to the death of partner. If that partner die, yeah, maybe that for example 3 partners in that business, so 2 partners maybe will be continue that partnership, but 2 partners, 1 partner is die, so automatically the partnership form will be dissolved. But related to that important rules already I explain you. Then after I explain you when you solve the board paper pattern, your board paper, so in that time in which account is important? Revaluation account, capital account. Okay, and in which amount point is important also? Many time ask the question working note related to the goodwill and related to the profit. Share of the goodwill, yeah, share of the profit of the that partner means death of partners. Okay, I explain you each and every video, each and every lecture. If any doubt, then after you call me. Okay, but all of you understood how to calculate the goodwill? Actually that points, yeah, that important question just now I explain you how to ask the question into the board exam. All of you understood? Okay, working note is important, practice is important, again and again you solve the problem. If any doubt, you queries, you call me. Yes, okay, bye, take care.